Assalamualaikum students of class M2. I am your teacher Sumaira Malik. Now I will teach you for the whole session. First I will request from your parents to help you in your when you are studying. So first open your this reader. You should all have this reader with you, my ABC book. Open it. We will start from the first page. First alphabet. First write down your the day. Mention the day on the top of your page. The Monday, MONDAY day, Monday, and the date 1st June 2020. Please mention it on your corners of your page. Now we will start reading from the first alphabet, that is A. A, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. Mama A, baby A, Mama A, baby A. A, what is the pronunciation of this letter? A. What is the pronunciation? A. What is the now we will see that which thing starts with this letter A. A, aeroplane, A, aeroplane, A, apple, A, apple, A, alligator, A, alligator, A, ant, A, ant, A, arm, A, arm, A, acorn, A, acorn. Again, read after me, everyone. A, what is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A, apple, A, alligator, A, aeroplane, A, ant, A, arm, A, acorn. And what is it? Apple. And apple is red. You all know that an apple is red. An apple is red. Now children, you have to read all these words with the pronunciation and with the sound A. You should all use this sound A. Now close this reader. After reading, you will start writing. Open your notebooks. First prepare your notebook. Write down day, on the top, and date. 1st June 2020. With the help of your parents, first we will put dots. The dots of A, capital A, small a. The dots of B, capital B, small b. The dots of C. Now how to write these alphabets? Join these lines like a triangle. Capital A, and from the middle line. Capital A. You all should know that the names of these lines: skyline, grass line, and root line. Skyline is the top line, grass lines are the middle lines, and the root line is the bottom line. Now write the small alphabet A. Join these two lines, semicircle and the tail. This is the small a, capital A, small a. B. Join these two dots, two semicircles like B, small b, like this. Don't go to the root line. C. In skyline and grass line. Small c only in grass lines. Look. A, B, C. A, B, C. What is the sound of say A? A. B, B. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. A, B, K. Now children, you have to write in all these lines. You have to fill all the whole page. A, B, C. This is the all the work you have to done today. Thank you so much.